The Nervos Network is a public blockchain ecosystem and network of protocols that addresses the biggest challenges facing blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum today. Nervos's foundational layer is called the Nervos Common Knowledge Base, or CKB for short. Using the tried and tested proof-of-work consensus, CKB stores assets and provides a trust anchor for all upper-level layers, with infinite configuration possibilities for different Layer 2 protocols. Designed for flexibility, it scales using Layer 2 solutions such as sidechains and state channels, which we firmly believe are the best way to scale a blockchain system. Thanks to this design, we don't have to compromise the decentralization and security of the base layer through new, untested consensus mechanisms. Instead, using Layer 2 to achieve high performance and TPS, bringing virtually unlimited transaction capabilities and minimal transaction costs to the trustless Layer 1 blockchain. One important benefit of this multi-layered approach is that the upper layers do most of the work independently of the Layer 1, meaning fees only need to be paid when transactions are settled in the common knowledge base. All of this makes the CKB blockchain scalable, efficient, and flexible, solving some of the biggest problems endemic to blockchain tech today.